Question for you, Paul. So when I'm working on a lot of these multiple cases, sometimes there's always like a new probate attorney, right? It's kind of like real estate agents. Is there a way that I can check to see how much probate experience? Because I imagine that a lot of the probate attorneys that claim to do probate, they're like real estate agents. They claim to do probate, but they haven't really done that many probate transactions. So because a lot of times I find, because of your training, like I know the answer is better than the probate attorney.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's some way that I can check, like, hey, here's how many probate cases they've worked on. Like for us, you could just check MLS, see what is listings, how many of them were probate, and then you could just count for the real estate agents.
So Paul's modest. Let me
I didn't know if that was it.
Let me answer for Paul. I subscribe to Probate Money, which is a product that Paul has created here in Los Angeles County. And I'll go in and search under the attorney, the last name, and see how many cases they've done. So I use Probate Money. I use that product. This is an efficient way to look it up all the time. Paul, how do you're an attorney, you must have a similar service that you use as an attorney?
Yeah. So first of all, guys, Douglas is the real deal. He works hard. He's when he says he's going to do something, he's going to do it. So Douglas, awesome. So the first thing you ought to do, guy, when you check out an attorney, go to their website. When you go to a website and if they list criminal law, personal injury cases, divorces, forget it.
Right.
They don't know probate. When you go to the website, it just should say only estate planning. Estate planning is comprised of living trust and probate. That's it. Yeah. So on the screen you see my website. You're not gonna, So this is a good example where all you see is estate planning, probate, living trust. That's it. Nothing else. When you go to that lawyer's website, Douglas, and you see that he practiced something else, forget it.
Right.
Forget it. Right off the bat, probably not. That's one thing. Go back to my website real fast, Bill.
Mm-hmm.
The second thing is,
I have another question, but I'll wait.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Scroll around to the bottom, Bill, where it says, I'm sorry, back up just a tiny bit. Okay, stop. Do you see that bear right there? That bear right there is the State Bar of California certifying lawyer who specialize in probate law.
I didn't know that. I know that was a logo. I know there's.
That is the bragging right. That is the bragging right. Only lawyer who's been certified by the State Bar has the right to use that logo. So that logo is another added layer that, hey, this guy has took an extra exam and has been vouched by his peers that he really specialized in this type of law. So those are the two things. Check out the website. Second of all, does he have that little bear, that little logo? That little logo is bragging right, given out by the State Bar of California that has certified that lawyer specialized in probate law.
One question. Oh, go ahead.
I look at Probate Money and look up how much business they've done.
That's right. So what you do then, Bill, is that you go into Probate Money, you type in that attorney's name, and it'll show how many times they. Oh, that's smart. Okay, that's a good one too.
Yeah.